So we have got this close to the wild gods. They can be dangerous because they are calves in the heart. So if they feel that we are kind of a danger, they can charge us. So not gonna risk it more. But it's a beautiful sight and an amazing discovery coming here in this old cemetery forgotten by people. The wild gods out there, probably one of our best adventures we are having to see these wild animals so close, so beautiful in their own nature. I don't know what the people who are lying beneath this beautiful cemetery what they're thinking, but we're having an amazing time. Eric, how are you feeling watching the gods so close?
It's impressive to get so close to them. Really impressive. And you get this feeling of the size of them. I mean, they are really big animals. And when they look towards us with that, what are they doing? You know, it makes you tingle. Are they going to come? I don't know. So long as this isn't our graveyard, I don't mind.
There are calves over there far away, and yeah, so whenever you are going to watch wildlife, you should be prepared and understand their animal behavior, and that's how you can go close. I won't recommend you this if you do not know the techniques of walking and the crafts of the jungle. Yeah, but it's a beautiful feeling.